Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 283. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel and then click on my college website link and you can download the workbook 276 to 284. In this trick we have some products and some vendors. And we want a column of the vendor who's given us the lowest bid. So in this first product row, we want vendor VC here. In this row, VA was the lowest, so we want them there. So this is a lookup problem. Now we'll use the index and match function like we have so many times to look things up from different arrays, but we'll also put in the min function. All right, equals index. An index needs an array to look up. The thing we're looking up is vendor, so I'm going to highlight that. And I'm going to hit the F4 key twice because I'm locking it across the row references. When I copy it down, I want it locked. Now, I need these are in columns, right? So I need a column number. For the first cell here, I need column 3 because 1, 2, 3 is where VC is. So comma. I go past rows, comma. Actually, it'll work if you put it in the rows if there's only one single array. But I'm going to keep it in the columns because that's what we're looking up. Now, how in the world do I get a 3 here? Well, notice here's the array of values of bids. And the third one, 1, 2, 3, is the min. Right? So that would, if we could somehow get a 3 from the fact that this is the min, that would be the perfect thing to tell index to take the third value, VC. Well, we'll use the match function for this. The lookup value, well, we want it the min each time, so we'll just use the min of this row. And these are relative cell references as we copy down. Now, just to make it easy on ourselves to understand the lookup, if you highlight this and hit F9, you can see that it's 34. That min evaluates to 34. Control Z. Now, lookup value, comma, in what range? Or lookup array. This one right here. Again, relative. Right? Where's 34? 1, 2, 3. And that's what match does. It tells you the ordinal position, 1, 2, 3. Comma, 0, because we're looking up exact match. Close parentheses on the match. Close parentheses on the index. And Control Enter. Double click and send it down. And there you have it. That one gives us the D, which is right there. This one gives us the E. And 4 C's in a row right there. So that is the formula for looking up a min vendor. All right, we'll see you next trick.